Creating a professional ebook or guide in Canva is a great way to share your ideas, but there is one major mistake that makes your document feel amateur and difficult to use. If your readers have to scroll through 50 pages just to find a specific chapter, they are going to stop reading. You need a clickable table of contents to make your document interactive, but many people think this requires complex coding or expensive software. It actually only takes 3 minutes right inside the Canva editor. I'm going to show you exactly how to link your text to specific pages today, but stay tuned until the very end because there is one specific setting in the download menu that will completely break your links if you click it. I will show you how to avoid that so your hard work doesn't go to waste. The reason most people struggle with this is that they view Canva as just a graphic design tool rather than a document builder. When you create a standard text box, Canva sees it as a static object. It doesn't automatically know that the word introduction should lead to page 3. You have to manually bridge that gap. Think of it like building a physical bridge between two islands. Without the connection, your reader is just stranded on the table of contents page with no way to get across. Let's get into the step-by-step process. Open your document and navigate to your table of contents page. Hover your mouse over the first item you want to make interactive, such as your About Me or Introduction line. Once you click on that text box, you will see a small menu appear, or you can click the 3 dots labeled More. Look for the option that says Link. When you click this, a search bar pops up showing you various pages within your current document. Simply find the page title that matches your chapter and click on it. You will see the display mode say Link, and you should leave that exactly as it is before hitting the Done button. Now, that text is officially a portal to another part of your file. However, you might run into a confusing problem where your pages show up as untitled or just page 4 in that link menu. This makes it incredibly hard to know which page you are linking to. To fix this, scroll down to the actual page in your project and look at the top of the page workspace. You can type a specific name there, like Start Here or Chapter 1. Once you give the page a name, go back to your table of contents and try the link process again. You will see the actual name of the page appear in the list, making it much faster to organize everything without guessing. If you ever make a mistake or want to change where a link goes, just click the pencil icon to edit it or the trash can icon to remove it entirely. Now for that pro tip, I promised you to make sure this actually works once you send it to your readers. When you are finished and ready to save your work, click the share button and choose download. You must select PDF standard as your file type. Here is the critical part. Do not check the box that says flatten PDF. If you flatten the document, Canva turns every page into a single flat image. This kills all your interactive data and your links will stop working immediately. Keep that box unchecked to ensure the digital pads stay active. Once the download finishes, open the file and test it out. Clicking your table of contents should now instantly jump you to the correct section. Now that you have mastered navigation, you should look into how to set up consistent brand styles so every page you link to looks perfectly polished.